chapter Factors and Multiples for grade 5 and 6. Topic Lowest Common Multiple, that is LCM, by common division method. Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained LCM and how to find LCM by common multiple method and prime factorization method. In this video, I will cover the last method, that is common division method. Steps to find LCM by common division method is similar to the steps for finding HCF by common division method. Only the last step is different. To find HCF by common division method, we multiply only the prime factors and the product we get is the HCF of the given numbers. Whereas to find LCM of the given numbers, we multiply the prime factors and the remaining factors. So the steps to find LCM are as follows. First step, write the given numbers separated by commas. So we have to write the numbers and separate it by giving commas. Divide the given numbers by smallest possible prime number and write the quotient below the number. So here we have to choose a prime factor which can divide all the given numbers. If 2, 3 or 4 whatever numbers are given to us, all the numbers should be divisible by that prime number. After division, we will write the quotient below those numbers. Continue division of the quotient till no common factors can be used for division. So we have to stop the process of division when we don't have any factor which can divide all the given numbers. Here the last step is find the product of common prime factors and the remaining factors. All this we will understand with the help of an example. I have taken smaller numbers so that we can understand the steps properly. In second example, I will take the larger numbers. So first, we will find the LCM of 12, 18 and 30 by common division method. First step, write the numbers separated by commas. So we have done that. Second step, you have to divide those numbers by the smallest possible prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. All the given numbers are even numbers, so all are divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. So here when we divide 12 by 2, we get 6 as the quotient. When we divide 18 by 2, we get 9 as the quotient. When we divide 30 by 2, we get 15 as the quotient. Now here 6 is divisible by 2, but 9 and 15 are not divisible by 2. But all these three numbers are divisible by 3. So we will take 3 as the next prime number. When we divide 6 by 3, we get 2 as the quotient. When we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 as the quotient. And when we divide 15 by 3, we get 5 as the quotient. Now these quotients, that is 2, 3 and 5, are not divisible by any common prime factor. So we will stop the process of division here. Next we will write the common factors. Common factors are 2 and 3. And remaining factors or the factors in the last row are 2, 3 and 5. Last step, we will multiply all the common factors and all the remaining factors. Common factors are 2 into 3 and remaining factors are 2, 3 and 5. So when we will multiply all these numbers, we get 180 as the product. So 180 is the LCM of 12, 18 and 30. Now I will tell you the difference. If we want to find the HCF of 12, 18 and 30, we will just multiply the prime factors, that is 2 into 3. So 6 is the HCF of 12, 18 and 30. But the LCM of 12, 18 and 30 is 180 because we multiply the prime factors and the remaining factors. Now we will find LCM of large numbers by common division method. The given numbers are 108, 132, 156. First step, we have to write the numbers separated by commas. Second step, we will see if it is divisible by the smallest prime number, that is 2. All are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. So we will divide all the three numbers by 2. When we divide 108 by 2, we get 54 as the quotient. When we divide 132 by 2, we get 66 as the quotient. When we divide 156 by 2, we get 78 as the quotient. Now we will see if these quotients are divisible by 2. All are even numbers, so again they are divisible by 2. When we will divide 54 by 2, we get 27 as the quotient. When we divide 66 by 2, we get 33 as the quotient. When we divide 78 by 2, we get 39 as the quotient. Now here 27, 33 and 39 all are divisible by 3. So we will divide these numbers by 3. When we divide 27 by 3, we get 9 as the quotient. When we divide 33 by 3, we get 11 as the quotient. When we divide 39 by 3, we get 13 as the quotient. Now, no prime factor can divide all these three numbers. So, we will stop the division here. Next step, we will write the common factors. Common factors are 2, 2 and 3. The remaining factors or the factors of the last row are 9, 11 and 13. Next, we will multiply the common factors, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and we will multiply the remaining factors. So, remaining factors are 9 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13. So when we will multiply all the numbers, we get 15444 as the product. So this is the LCM of 108, 132 and 156. There is one more way to find LCM by common division method. In this method, we divide the numbers till we get 1 as the quotient. So here, first we write the numbers separated by commas. Second, we see if all the given numbers are divisible by any prime factor. If they are divisible by a common prime factor, then we will divide it by that prime factor. In case if one or two numbers are not divisible by a common prime factor, then we will choose a number which is divisible by the smallest common factor. Here the given numbers are 48, 66 and 120. All are divisible by 2. So we will divide them by 2. When we divide 48 by 2, we get 24 as the quotient. When we divide 66 by 2, we get 33 as the quotient. When we divide 120 by 2, we get 60 as the quotient. Now here, 24, 33 and 60 are the quotients. In this, 24 and 60 are divisible by 2. So, we will divide these two numbers by 2, but we will write 33 as it is. And we will divide 24 and 60 by 2. So, when we divide 24 by 2, we get 12 as the quotient. And when we divide 60 by 2, we get 30 as the quotient. Now here again 12 and 30 are divisible by 2 and 33 is not divisible by 2. So here we will divide 12 and 33 by 2 and we will write 33 below 33 as it is. So when we will divide 12 by 2, we get 6 as the quotient and here 15 as the quotient. 6, 33 and 15. Now here 6 is divisible by 2. 33 and 15 are not divisible by 2. So we will write 33 and 15 as it is and we will divide 6 by 2. So here when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3 as the quotient. Now here 3, 33 and 15, all three numbers are divisible by 3. So we will move to the next number, that is 3. So here 3 divided by 3 is 1. 33 divided by 3 we get 11 and 15 divided by 3 we get 5. Now here 1 will go down as it is. So we will see the next prime number. The next prime number is 5 and 5 can divide 5. So we will write down 11 down as it is and we will divide 5 by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now here 11 is left. So again we can divide 11 by 11. So we will get 1 here and 1 here. We will multiply all the prime numbers over here. So here the prime numbers are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. So here when we multiply all this number, the product which we will get will be the LCM of these numbers. When we will multiply all this number, we will get 2640 as the product and 2640 is the LCM of 48, 66 and 120. Now we will find LCM of 27, 54 and 63. So we have written the number separated by commas. Now in this only 54 is divisible by 2. So we will write 27 and 63 as it is. And we will divide 54 by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. So we will divide only that number by 2. When we divide 54 by 2, we get 27. Now all these three numbers, that is 27 and 63, are divisible by 3. So we will divide all the numbers by 3. So when we divide 27 by 3, we get 9, 9 and 21. Again 9 and 21 are divisible by 3. So next, again we will divide these numbers by 3. So here, when we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 as the quotient and 7. Now here 3 is divisible by 3 but 7 is not divisible by 3. So we will write 7 as it is and we will divide 3 by 3. So when we divide 3 by 3, we get 1 as the quotient. Now 7 is left. 7 is also a prime number. So we can divide it by 7 and we will get 1 as the quotient. So we will multiply all the prime factors which we got here. So the prime factors here are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So 1 times 2, 3 times 3 and 1 times 7. When we will multiply all those numbers, 378 as the product. So 378 is the LCM of 27, 54 and 63. I hope the method explained in this video are clear to you. In my next video, I will explain relationship between HCF and LCM. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.